Hello, my dear children. I am your Parul ma'am, class teacher of class 1. Welcome to the online class. Children, today I am going to teach you maths. In maths, we will learn about the concept of ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means arranging the numbers in small to big order. When we go downstairs to upstairs, it is ascending order. Here we have Mr. Mouse who wants to eat the cheese, but cheese is upstairs. Now, can you have Mr. Mouse to upstairs to arranging the numbers in ascending order? Yes, first number should be 1. Next is 2, then 3, and the last is 4. Yes, Mr. Mouse is very happy to eat the cheese. Here, 1 is the smallest number and the greatest number is 4. Descending order means arranging the numbers in big to small order. When we go upstairs to downstairs, it is descending order. After eating the cheese, Mr. Mouse wants to go up to its hole. For that, he have to arrange these numbers in descending order. The numbers are 15, 14, 13 and 12. Can you again have Mr. Mouse to arrange in these numbers in descending order? So let's begin. First number will be 15, then 14. Next will be 13 and last number is 12. Now Mr. Mouse goes to his hole. Here 12 is the smallest number and 15 is the greatest number. After explanation, let's do the practice in these topics in our book. Writing numbers 1 to 9 in ascending order. Ascending order, we can say increasing order also. Look at this, children. This is an example. Okay, some balloons are there and in balloons some different numbers are written here. So we will arrange the numbers in these balloons in ascending order. Now look at this. In first balloon written here 6, 4, then 3, 7, 2, 1. Now ascending order means we will arrange in these numbers in small to big number. Okay. So first of all we have to arrange number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 6 and then 7. Okay, now let's start our exercise. Look at this. Arrange the numbers from the board in ascending order. Look at this. This is a board and some numbers are given here like 2, 8, 6, 7, 5 and 9. We will arrange in these numbers in ascending order. So first of all we have to take small number. Now small number is 2. So first of all in first box we have to write 2. Then after 2, 5, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8 and 9. 9 is the biggest number. So we have to arrange our numbers in small to big order. Let's see the next. Look at this. In this board written here 4, 8, 7, 6, 1 and 5. So we will arrange in these numbers also in small to big order. Now, the smallest number is 1. 1. Then we will write here number 4. Then 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 is the biggest number. So children, in this exercise, all these ascending order you have to do yourself. Okay? Now, writing numbers 1 to 9 in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. घटता हुआ क्रम. Okay? Now, look at this. Arrange the numbers written on the bags in descending order. Here some bags are there. In bags, some numbers are written here. Look at this first bag. Now in this bag, 2, 1, 4, 5, 3 and 9. These numbers are there. So we have to write in descending order. So first of all, we have to search which is the biggest number. Now in these numbers, 9 is the biggest number. So we have to write number 9. Then number 9 after 5, then 4, 3, 2 and 1. This is the decreasing order. घटता हुआ क्रम. 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the biggest number and 1 is the smallest number. Let's see. Now in this bag written here 6, 9, 4, 8, 7, 5. So first of all we have to write biggest number. So biggest number is the 9. Then 8. Then after 8, 7. Then after 7, 6. Then 5. Then the smallest number is 4. So in the last we have to write 4. Okay children? So all these exercise you have to do yourself.